Hey everybody, it's Leanne from Cherry Lane. We have another project kit to share with you. So it's an album, because we know how you love albums. So it's the Simple Stories Best Year Ever 6x8 Snap Binder album. So there's a photo of this on our website. However, photos are really flat, so you'd be basically looking at this. So I want to do a quick flip through for you so you get an idea of what it entails and what's involved so that you can see what's in there. So here we go. So it's a 6x8 snap binder album. So album and so the album is already made and it comes with a bunch of chipboard dividers and sort of the guts of it, and then you decorate them however you please. So this one is using the Best Year Ever line. So yeah, it kind of covers the year. I'm gonna flip through. So there we go. There's the inside. Let's get centered here. Okay. So there's the beginning page, which is, kind of a summary of the year because it's about the year. So there we go. So this is one of the chipboard dividers that comes in there. It's nice and heavy duty. Comes with the 6x8 pocket pages, which you feel however you please. I didn't count how many photos in here, but there's going to be a lot. So sorry if there's a glare on there. I can't really. So you'll kind of have a glare here and there, and then not. So are we centered? Yes, I think so. Okay. So room for lots of photos. So obviously it starts up with January because that's where the year starts. However, you could mix this up and start up the year wherever you want. Like, I don't know, maybe if you had a new person joining this year, I don't know, then you could just start then. Move things around. So starts January, Happy New Year. Lots of fun flips, and there'll be sort of like a calendar thing for every month. So every month is themed towards whatever event normally happens in that month. It's February. There's lots of flippy things. You can change this up however you want. Little ephemera cards. You could switch things, however, of course. Pockets, chipboard, like nice dimension with the chipboard. Happy spring. This must be April. Yes. Am I centered? I think so. Okay. You could put photos and things in there. Lots of places to write. Look at the bunny. To me. Could maybe use this as like a birthday book almost. I was thinking if you know enough birthdays in the various months, but just do the year. Best year ever. Yay, it's summer. What month is this? Oh, it's June. Lovely. June. Yep. So that's a pocket and that's a pocket. There we go. July. I like how they did July because they are an American company. However, this is very usable for our Julys. It's not all, Independence Day. It's lovely. August, summertime. So we should be able to, hang out with our families again and stuff pretty soon, I hear. The ones that don't live in our houses. I didn't hear the full thing today, but I'll listen to it later. So yeah, and then back to school. So we should expect the kids back to school this fall, right? Yay. There we go. I'm sure I missed some flippy things showing you, but anyway, I'm trying not to be too slow. This gives you a good idea of what's happening in the album. So you're going to have a bunch of leftovers too. There's the chipboard things. So your kit is going to include the 6x8 binder, which comes, the binder is pre-assembled. Like you don't have to make the binder. You're going to do the guts of the binder. Is that a flippy thing? Oh, yep, it is. Tons of room for photos in here. There's the 12x12 sticker sheet that it comes with. It comes with a full 6x8 paper pad. It comes with these lovely chipboard stickers for the layering. It comes with a full package of the snap cards too, which the snap cards are like they're the 4x6s and the 3x4s and I think some 4x4s and some 2x2s. So lots of assortments in there. I think you're going to have some leftovers. Oh, that's a pocket. It's a pocket inside of a pocket. There we go. And so, yeah, it ends the year with December, and then, well, because right after Christmas is a little bit more January, and it's kind of recapping the best year ever. So, yeah, room for more photos or journaling or whatever. So, let's see. There we go. Can you read that? So that is what comes in your kit. I can't tell if it's blurry or not. And you get these beautiful detailed step-by-step instructions. So there's photos and cutting instructions for every single page in the album, so nice and easy to follow along with. And you could always refer back to this video as well if you wanted to kind of zoom in on something. So yeah. So I think these kits, they're either $64 or $69. I think they're $64. So it comes with everything you need and the instructions, of course. So these are available in the store. We do ship, so you can pick them up in the shop. We will do curbside pickup. We will ship anywhere in Canada. Kit shipping is $5 unless you top up your order to make it $100, and then it's free. There is these will be free local delivery in Mission, and we will just hold and love paid items forever. So yeah, those are your options. So there's a little bit room to add a smidge more, but not too much. You'd have to watch the foam squares, but yeah. So you can call us and order your kits. There are only 18 available, so do not wait, because there will not be any more. There is this line available in the store, and you could kind of put your own thing together, but this specific kit, only 18. So our phone number is 604-814-4500, and thank you for watching, and stay well, and we hope to see you all again in person soon. Thanks.